Hi, welcome to Smack Fab again. Today we're doing a quick little hydraulic quick couple replacement because they're leaking, but on a New Holland Boomer 50 with an Aussie, look at that flag, Aussie Challenger loader. And safety first, people, put your stays on and tie them on so they don't fall off. Now, problem with this is we go to do the loader, the couple, we can get to the bottom one, and yes, shifters for demonstration purposes only, or adjustable range, but then we get to this one, we can't undo it. So tip, that's the finger, take top one off first, second, third, bottom one we can do by itself, and then put this one on first, this one second, that one third, staggered. It's a and it's a pain if you're trying to do one at a time so you don't get your hoses mixed up, but we're lucky here in the fact that we have the colour caps, or I'm using the phone to record now so I can't do it. Take a quick happy snap before you touch anything, that way you get your colours in the right position, write it down, piece of paper, job done. Do it all, back together, start it, test it, no leaks, happy days. And on a side note on this tractor, typical little tractor loaders, or most tractor and loaders, these loader mount bolts come loose. I've had to change these about 12 months ago. I actually sheared these bolts off. So whole loader off, subframe, everything off. Get the broken bolts out, but then when the loader's off, it only had these 4 bolts to hold the main frame, which holds the loader up and has all the pushing force against it on. It was only with these 4 bolts and a bit hard to see, stay brackets. Actually, go around the other side. Bit easy to see. So it only had these 4 bolts, and stay bracket which goes up behind the axle, and crossbar from side to side. But with only these 4 bolts, I don't know if it was the loader mob or the dealer that fitted it, this whole panel is what takes all the load. It gets pushed backwards and forwards, and that's not over the center, so that has, this post has leverage against this, makes it come loose. You can see this side was bad as well. You can see there the rust mark. This side was only loose, this one hadn't broken, but that was moving. That tube was moving backwards and forwards every time you use the loader. But when I had it off to check, get the broken bolts out, I found 4 unused bolt holes. So we put 4 bolts in this side and on the other side, spring washers, high tensile spring washers and high tensile washers, and Loctite. 12 months and about 60-80 hours down the track, and this tractor is just used for a loader. No issues. Another successful Smack Fab repair. So if you like this and want to see more, leave a comment, rate, thumbs up, hit the thumbs down twice, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell. Thanks for watching.